Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having an amazing day. Thank you so much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up the October Facestory bag, and this is what the bag looks like. It comes in this resealable bag, which is great. If you do not know what Facestory is, it is a sheet mask subscription. I love sheet masks. They're definitely my preferred method of masking. So they offer two different subscription plans. One is for 4 masks a month, and that is the one I receive, and you can also get one that has 7 masks. So I will link them down below. It is available on Cratejoy, and I believe the one I get is like $7.56 or something like that a month. So it's super affordable, and it's super fun to get, and like, isn't this so cute? So yeah, if you love sheet masks, this is definitely a great subscription. One, because it's affordable, and two, I can speak from past experience. The masks are amazing. So we're gonna unbox and see what comes in the October Facestory box, or bag. I always mix up box and bag. But before we do so, I just want to remind you all that I do have several giveaways going on, including the ABH and Carly Bible palette, and some other beauty giveaways as well, and also for some sunglasses. So if you haven't entered, those links are always down below. But yeah, let's get unbagging. So you just tear across the top. Oops, I messed up. And then you open it up, and then you can store your sheet mask in this bag, or you can choose to toss it or do whatever you want with it. But I love that. I always put my sheet mask back in here. I think it's a good way to store them. So I forgot to mention, every month also comes with like a little postcard, which is also like a piece of art if you want to hang it up. This is super cute, super fall. Love the colors. That is adorable. So you can see in the back, it functions as a postcard as well. I usually just like set them up somewhere, pin them somewhere, because they're really pretty every month. And then we have a little card in here, and then our face mask. So October's theme is Forever Fresh. It says, trick or treat. This month, treat yourself to fun, skin-loving sheet masks that will have your skin feeling hydrated, soothed, and moisturized. And then they give some tips on how to sheet mask. It says, step 1, cleanse and tone your skin. Step 2, apply the mask for 10 to 15 minutes. I always go by the directions on the actual, sheet mask. And step 3, remove the mask and pat down the remaining essence. All right, so then here, like I said, it talks about the mask you get. It says why we love it, and then it talks about the key ingredients and also gives pricing. So I think this is really handy, this little sheet they give you. So let's start with the first one. This is actually made by Facestory. This is Everyday Jasmine, made with no harsh chemicals. This is a moisturizing mask, so there's no artificial fragrance, no parabens, artificial dyes, denatured alcohol, ethanol. It says, jasmine flowers are known to be strong and sweet just like you. Isn't this such a cute package? And on the back it says, Everyday Jasmine, from this lovely scented flower comes super nutritious ingredients for your skin. Aiding in moisture and healing, this jasmine infused sheet mask will give your skin the perfect amount of TLC to help your skin renew itself. And this is plant-based approved, and then it gives some directions on the back and lists the ingredients. So let's read a little bit more about this. This is $3.50. It is a super gentle plant-based sheet mask that aids in moisturizing and healing your skin. Why we love it. This makes our skin feel refreshed and hydrated. Any redness we had the day before went bye-bye, and our skin was left feeling velvety smooth. The key ingredients are jasmine extract, a healing ingredient that calms and hydrates, and a jojoba seed oil, a calming ingredient that conditions the skin and smooths out skin texture. Awesome. And I know, like, with the weather changing, a lot of people need some extra moisture in their skin, so this is really timely and good for this month. And I totally have a cat hair on my face. I can feel it. But we're just gonna keep on going. So the next one, this looks so cool. It's a makeover mask, Empress. Look, it's got like a pharaoh, or like an empress, I guess you can say on there. Look at the top package. The packaging is so cute. I love sheet masks. So makeover mask, Empress. It's made with calendula flower, 100% pure cotton. This is firming, moisturizing, and soothing. And on the back it says this is a moisturizing mask for dry skin, skin irritation test completed, dual functioning, brightening, and anti-wrinkle as well. It is a moisturizing mask with calendula flower extract that helps moisturize dry skin. 100% natural cotton mask that is tightly adhered to the skin, helps to maintain smooth skin by supplying enough nutrition. So that is the back of the package. So this is by BRTC, the Makeover Mask Empress or Bewitch. Oh, so there's variations promotion this month. I obviously got the Empress mask. It is $3 and it says the perfect mask to use this month. BRTC's Empress mask focuses on moisturizing, firming, and soothing. And then the Bewitch mask, the one I did not get, delivers firming, anti-wrinkle, and nourishing properties. Why we love it? Granted, we look a bit crazy while wearing these masks. Oh, does it look like you actually have like an Empress on it? Oh, I think it looks like, see the corner over there? I think that's what it actually looks like on your skin. You can kind of see it on the back, the upper corner too. Oh, I think that's so fun. But anyways, it says, granted we look a bit crazy while wearing these masks, but they ensure that our skin is moisturized and taken care of. And hey, it's a perfect time to have fun with sheet masks. Grab your friends, play your favorite Halloween movie, and mask away. So the key ingredient in the Empress mask is calendula, and this is a skin calming ingredient that aids in healing acne, irritation, and redness. Awesome, I need that for acne for sure. I've been breaking out lately. And if you got the Bewitch mask, the main ingredient is Panax ginseng berry extract, and that's an anti-aging, brightening, and moisturizing ingredient that protects and rebuilds the skin barrier. This will be so fun to use, I'm excited. Ooh, the next one, I see a pumpkin on it. You know everyone's into pumpkin or pumpkin spice, PSL, pumpkin spice latte. This is Bling Pop Pumpkin Face Mask Soothing and Brightening. This is what it looks like. And then that's what the back looks like. You can see the pumpkin shape. So Bling Pop Pumpkin Soothing and Brightening Mask contain pumpkin extract that helps to reveal skin to look smoother, younger, radiant, and revitalized. So this is $2 and it says keep your skin looking smooth, radiant, and plump with this pumpkin sheet mask. Why we love it. We love how this pumpkin mask makes our skin feel afterwards. It's packed with vitamins A, C, and E, which prevent aging skin and brighten the complexion. Relax and sip on a pumpkin spice latte while you're at it. Cozy vibes all around. So the key ingredients, pumpkin fruit extract, which is a great hydrating and exfoliating ingredient that brightens the skin and prevents fine lines and wrinkles. And then there's peony seed extract, which is calming, brightening, and moisturizing. This ingredient helps balance the skin. Awesome. And I totally want a pumpkin spice latte right now, thinking about it. Ooh, the next one kind of makes me want it too. The next one is called Little Witch Candy Mask. Ooh, and it has like a cupcake with like edible little pumpkins on it. Look at how good that looks. So the Candy-O Lady Little Witch Candy Mask. Let's see, most of the back is in another language, so let's read what it says on this sheet. So this is $2.50. It says, this sheet mask gives your skin a beautiful radiance and a bit of lift here and there. Why we love it. This spooky little treat provides us with a smooth and even surface thanks to the hydrating and moisturizing ingredients jam-packed in this mask. So the key ingredients, the first one is collagen, a protein responsible for providing skin elasticity. This ingredient helps reduce wrinkles and fine lines, creating a smooth and even complexion. And then it has peptides, and it says this ingredient is responsible for strengthening and restoring the skin barrier as well as ensuring the skin is properly moisturized. I love the masks this month. Okay, they're so on theme with like pumpkins and stuff like that, and also that they all provide like moisture and stuff like that with the changing seasons. That is super great. Before we go, they do have some tips on the bottom of the card I'll read you. So it says tips. Do not leave masks on for over 30 minutes. I say this probably in every Facestory video, but I always use my phone as a timer when I put on face masks, just so I don't go over. I never knew that you shouldn't have them on for too long until I started getting the subscription. So generally they're between 10 and 20 minutes, but it always says on the back of the package. And it says use the remaining essence to moisturize the neck and shoulders. I do that too. I bring it all the way down my chest and stuff like that. And then it says apply a moisturizer after masking to lock in the essence from the mask. Awesome. And then it says for product how-tos and ingredients, visit our website, www.facestory.com. And then it says want to upgrade to our 7 Lux plan, use code FRESH2LUX for 20% off your first box. So that code's right there if you wanted to pause it and get that. Yeah, I think this was a great month. I'm trying to think what like one I'm the most excited about. I mean, I think the one that has like the Empress on it, like you could actually like look like that, like a pharaoh kind of, while you're wearing it. That's super fun. But I'm like totally in pumpkin mode lately, so I think these are great too. The Jasmine one sounds amazing also. So they all sound good. They're always so good. I use them every month. 4 is enough for me because I have a bunch of other masks I get in other boxes and stuff too, so this is perfect. But again, if you want, you can get the 7, which will get you through the whole month perfectly. I use one like every few days, and I think it definitely benefits my skin. So yeah, again, I will link them down below along with all my giveaways, and I also link down below always all of my social media links, so if you guys want to catch up in between upload, you can pretty much always find me on Instagram or Snapchat. I also list like my Facebook and all of that, so let's be friends. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unbagging this with me. I really appreciate that you take the time to watch my videos. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!